this video I'm going to show you the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is the most advanced cordless cleaner from Aiper yet. And included with the cleaner is this user manual. And you also have this FAQ page. And it comes with this hook so you can easily retrieve the cleaner once the cycle is finished. Also included is the charger for the cleaner. And one of the nice things about the charging port is that it's completely sealed. This means that no water is going to get inside into the motor, even if you were to leave this plug off. But it's always a good idea to cover the charging port while the cleaner is in the pool. If the battery is fully discharged, it'll take you about 4 hours to fully charge the battery. You also want to make sure to charge the battery out of direct sunlight. And the cleaner features this very large top-loading debris basket. And this is a really large basket. And this basket is rated for 180 microns. And one of the really nice features is this 3 micron filter that's included. And this will prevent dirt from going back out into the pool. And since this filter prevents dirt from going back into the pool, all the dirt is trapped inside this debris basket. And on the front and back are these really large scrubbing brushes. And on the bottom is this really large opening. And this cleaner is great for larger leaf debris. On the front you can see that this has dual impellers. And here is the on-off switch here. Just press this down and the cleaner will turn on. And you're going to see a blue light illuminate here. This is also the mode selection. It starts in auto mode, which is floors, walls. You can change it to floors only. You can also change it to waterline only. And then there's an eco mode. An eco mode means that this cleaner will run for 45 minutes and then turn off for 2 days and then run for 45 minutes more. So it'll run for 7 days until the battery is exhausted. And in the app there's a 5th cleaning mode, which is walls only. One thing to note about the app control, once the S1 Pro is underwater, you're going to lose communication with the cleaner. And here's the cleaner in waterline only mode. It'll clean the waterline. I think it cleans about a 2 or 3 foot section. Then it drops back down to the bottom. It will come up again and clean another section of the waterline. It seems to be very effective at cleaning the waterline. Just note that it's a little bit noisy, so you don't want to do this too early in the morning. And the battery in the Scuba S1 Pro is rated for 3 hours, so this cleaner is great for a small to medium pool. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the cleaner and leave it in auto mode. So in auto mode, the Seagull S1 Pro will clean the walls first, and then after it cleans all the walls in the pool, it'll go down to the floor. I'm not a big fan of this cleaning mode. I prefer the cleaners to go up the walls and then back down and across the pool floor. And if you want to have that, of course you can just use the floor only mode. And if you want the walls clean, you can use the wall only mode in the app. But it does do a great job cleaning the pool. And when a cleaning cycle is over, you can use this included hook to retrieve it. Let me show you the debris that I picked up here in this pool. And you can see with the added benefit of the fine filter that this cleaner does a great job with not only leaf debris, but also with dirt. The Scuba S1 Pro is definitely the most advanced cordless cleaner from Aiper. I think I like the floors only mode the best on this cleaner, and it does give you a lot of options. Floors and walls in auto mode, floors only, waterline, eco mode, and then in the app you can do the wall mode, and I really think it cleans the pool very well. The 3 micron filter blocking the discharge also makes this cleaner great for fine dirt, and I also like the 3-hour runtime, so it's definitely a solid entry in the cordless cleaner market. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.